Hey everybody, this is Dave with Growing the Home Garden. I am here with my new baby blue tail skinks. I was digging in the compost bin a couple weeks ago and I came across a bunch of eggs, which I actually thought were box turtle eggs. And so I moved them into this little bin here with some compost and put some pea gravel over top of it to help protect them a little bit. And a few weeks later, I am discovering that they are not box turtles, but they're blue-tailed skinks, which is pretty cool because these are great to have in the yard, in the garden. They'll eat a lot of those bad bugs and things that we don't want to have around our plants. You can tell that they're blue-tailed skinks by obviously the tails, that bright azure blue color, and it's just really cool. They are speedy little guys, and girls maybe. We've actually had to remove some of the leaves that had fallen in here, but I'm going to put those leaves back here in a minute. I just wanted to leave them off so you could see it. So that's kind of neat to see wildlife and to know that we helped it along and protected it. So these I hope will come out to the garden and start eating a lot of aphids and bugs that are bothering my plants. Just a good sign of a nice organic garden when you have life like this. So anyway, that's Dave from Growing the Home Garden. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more.